Okay, mechanic workout vlog. Today we're just gonna talk about the pain that I'm having. So I did a whole bunch of push-ups, sit-ups at home. So I am a very active, all right? Today's a slow day at work. I'm gonna have one tune-up job and one or two oil changes, and one probably customer say he might come in. He's coming from very far, probably 30, 40 miles away. But he just wants to diagnose the car, and whatever the car needs, he's gonna plan it, how he's gonna spend that money. But anyways, feeling pain, that's okay. No pain, no game, all right? So if you're following my little bit of steps, all right, this is, I'm not guaranteeing you anything here. A lot of people are like, oh, I'm gonna be fit. You gotta be more, I'm just trying to motivate you, all right? So, entertain you, motivate you, all right? Anyways, I made a list of things last night that I am gonna cut out from my daily eating habits, all right? So, I eat usually in the morning. I drink a tea. Yes, we drink tea in our house. Cookies, go home. I'll bring lunch from home. Usually it's like homemade. The food we cook is a lot of vegetarian. And we put a lot of oil, vegetable oil, a lot of cooking oil. So my plan is to cut that out. If I want to eat it, I don't want that stuff in it. All right. Another thing is low carb. We're gonna go eat no bread, eggs, boiled eggs, omelets, scrambled eggs. Gonna cut out my habit of drinking another cup of tea after work. Sometimes another one before I go to sleep. Yeah, you might think I'm crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna cut a lot of things. So we're gonna eat healthy. Salad, grilled chicken. I'm a big fan of chicken. I'll probably make a video down the road of a big chicken meal that I always have. Chicken and rice, that's my favorite. Stewed chicken is another one of my favorite. But all that gotta go. Chicken I'll stick with, grilled. Gonna cut out the rice. Gonna cut out a lot of oil. Drink a lot of water, a lot of fluids. Not sugary, Pepsi, Sprite, Coke, ginger ale, none of that stuff, right? And that drink crush, we don't want that either. All right, anyway, so eat good. You feeling pain, you're doing good, all right? I feel a little bit of pain in my muscle, shoulder, so we're gonna take it easy, all right? I am gonna be doing my push-ups, and I decided to do more push-ups than I originally stated every break job. But I know I'm not gonna have break jobs every day, all right? So I select jobs, like today's gonna be a tune-up, I'm gonna do push-up, all right? And then I'm gonna kick it a notch. I'll probably go from 10 to 15, and then maybe 20, all right, little by little. Anyways, got a few cars coming in. It's empty house right now. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and stay fit and healthy, and eat good. Make a list of the crazy stuff you eat. So let me tell you what I was eating daily. I'll wake up in the morning, cup of tea, one. Another cup of tea when I get home, and another cup. So 3 cups of tea, always with something, cookies, biscuits, sometimes a cupcake, sugary stuff, crazy. I eat in the afternoon a heavy meal, sometimes rice, sometimes cooked vegetables, a lot of oil, that's gotta go. We'll eat, but I'm gonna have to cut down on that oil. I'm gonna tell my homemade chefs, my home chefs, to cut down on my oil. But anyways, so I'm gonna eat healthy, eat good, drink a lot of water, cut down on the sugar, cut down on a lot of bread and rice, eat low carb, eat good, eat healthy. It makes me, I feel good. I feel really good. Really did a one good day of a workout. And the last time I did the workout was several months back, all right? And I broke a pinky. I'm gonna make a video on that, how I broke a pinky here in the shop and what caused it. Very simple, something that you wear, a mechanic wears, a glove. That's how I broke a finger, just by wearing the gloves. I'll make a video on that, and I'll show you the gloves that I use, all right? Gloves are pretty good. A lot of people tell me those are heavy duty gloves. You have to cut out on those gloves because they can cause big damage to your hands if they get caught in something. But it was my fault. All right, so I'm gonna cut down, I'm gonna beware, not cut down, beware of that. But anyways, stay tuned, stay fit like I said, and stay watching my videos. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like if you have friends that need a little bit of motivation. Recommend on my channel and wear a mask, all right? So thank you, peace out, bye-bye.